Have you ever wondered how scientists uncover the universe's deepest secrets? In today's video, we'll explore how artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming astrophysics, helping us decode the cosmos like never before. Modern observatories and satellites capture enormous amounts of data every second. Sorting through this data manually would be nearly impossible. That's where AI comes in. Its machine learning algorithms analyze and classify data at lightning speed, helping astronomers identify celestial objects and detect patterns hidden in the vast sea of cosmic information. If you're fascinated by exploring the universe, check out the Celestron NexStar 8 SE telescope, a powerful computerized telescope that makes stargazing easy and fun. Or, if you're into tech and AI projects, the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B Starter Kit is perfect for building your own space-related experiments. Find affiliate links for both products in the description below. AI-driven image recognition has revolutionized how we explore the night sky. Telescopes capture countless images of stars, galaxies, and nebulae. AI scans these images, identifying and categorizing celestial objects in record time. This frees up astronomers to focus on interpreting data and making groundbreaking discoveries. AI is a game-changer in the search for exoplanets, worlds beyond our solar system. It examines light curves from distant stars, spotting subtle dips in brightness that might indicate a planet passing by. Thanks to AI, scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, expanding our understanding of planetary systems across the universe. Gravitational waves are ripples in space-time caused by cataclysmic events like black hole mergers. Detecting these faint signals is incredibly complex. AI-powered algorithms sift through mountains of data, distinguishing real signals from background noise, unlocking new cosmic insights in the process. Astrophysicists also use AI for simulations and predictions. By modeling cosmic events such as galaxy formations or supernova explosions, AI helps refine theories and guide future observations. These simulations provide a deeper understanding of the universe's fundamental workings. AI is revolutionizing astrophysics, making it possible to explore the universe like never before. From managing colossal data streams to discovering new planets and detecting gravitational waves, AI is humanity's ultimate tool for unraveling cosmic mysteries. As technology advances, who knows what incredible discoveries await us? Stay tuned for more cosmic wonders, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future space explorations.